with Oster's Johnny.
Hey Jeff, check out this.
Hello.
Hello.
Mic check.
Hello. Mic check.
All right. I don't know. You think I want to drop? It might want to drop to here.
Order filled.
I would say a good part would be here.
Order filled.
What is that? 725. Epic music cue. Yeah, this shit had me like all pumped up this morning. I was listening to it as I was trading. I'm gonna just be switching it on and off between the copyright music, so I don't get fucking flagged anymore. How did you do today, Money Shot? We're doing pretty good. We're up over 1,000 on the day. Just taking it nice and easy. I am a little upset that I missed some of these. We were in here. This is where I got in for that short. And then we ended up getting out here. But I was bike riding. I didn't fucking see this. But now, we kind of broke these lows. Broke these lows. Ooh, we got a short going, baby. I don't even want to put it here. Fuck it. See what happens. We would have definitely got in this right here. Would have been a monster. I think it wants to hit here. You can take profit if you are taking these signals. Yellow means extreme oversold. Can reverse. But we're going to see if it wants to drop down a little more. There's a lot of resistance right here I just saw. But I think it's going to plummet through a little bit. If not, we'll do break even. Come on down, baby. It would make sense to go here. But then you have this too. Think it wants to break it. Maybe it wants to pull up first. Let's look on the 30-second chart, see if there's a zone it wants to at least track to. Right here. 740s. This is a 30-second chart. You can see in the mini where it wants to at least bounce off these yellows. Alright, we're there. I've been trading 10 years, dude. Over 10 years. It's a sickness. We should get to that area. Yeah, I mean, yeah, I have my indicators are available. There's a 30-day free trial if you go to VIP section. If you don't like it, you can always just unsign it, unsign up. And if you do like it, you can do weekly $8 or it's $30 for the entire month. So it's about $1 a day.
Order filled.
Order filled.
All right. Top Step X out. Apex is out. And my Take Profit Trader is out. So I'm trading 3 accounts. Yeah, just keep following along. You'll get it eventually. Takes time. So my signals are usually really good. These big ones. Really good. But recently, in the past 6 weeks, because of this market, it's been so fucking choppy. They're hard to trade. They are hard to trade. But there's a certain technique that I have with it, and I teach whoever has it. So, like, these would have been winners, but then these would have been losers. But this one right here, soon as it closed below this cloud, you got to close your loser. But that would have saved you a shit ton of money. These are all winners here. None of them closed above the cloud. And then you would have got this monster too. And then I give you the choice. When the candles start to turn colors, so say this orange here is oversold. And then yellow is completely oversold. So I understand it waterfalled. It's hard to get them all. Then this new strategy I am working on to release to you guys. A new bottom with a inversion fair value gap. Fucking makes some pretty big winners. And then, so now we got a second short here. Let's see what happens. We gotta wait till the candle closes. And then we have our second one, which is pullbacks zones. These yellow boxes. they're very attracted to them. And you'll start to learn on what happens when the price goes back to it and stuff. All right, we got 3 seconds. I am a little nervous because we're in this pullback zone, and it's already oversold. So that's another rule. So, like, short signal appeared, but it's already oversold, so be careful. This one would have been good because it wasn't oversold, and now it's... You would have got out probably right here. Now, if you went to the 30 second, you can see where it's drawn to. So if this is the bottom, most likely it wants to come back up, but it looks like it's starting to resist, and it might bounce up from here, but we have to see. Nope, didn't hold. No candle broke a previous candle high. Fucking coming back up though. Let me see here. We didn't make a new low. I don't see a fair value gap unless it's here, but it's kind of far up. Sorry, I'm a little bit crazy too, so bear with me. I think you have to be crazy to understand these methods of madness. Do you trade at all, Money Shot? I forgot your name on fucking the other one, so you're gonna have to deal with that. Damn, so this would have been a nice one to the 78. Just a little nervous in the zone. Oh yeah, have you ever traded before? And what do you trade? Funded accounts right now? So you don't do any prop firms? Oh, ES. I like ES, but it's sometimes too slow for me. Right now, it's not bad. Definitely not bad now, but... Apex, nice. What's your normal strategy? If you're funded through them, that's good, no? So you pass the challenge and you're funded? Hello, Kobe on TikTok. You pass an eval, so you have a PA account in Apex. Nice. Yeah, dude, I had a lot of followings on TikTok. YouTube and Twitch takes a long time, and I understood that. TikTok, I blew up. I had like 100 people watching me every day. And then I started getting shadow banned and reported constantly, and it really fucked my flow up. We managed to make $150 into almost 15 grand in about 5 weeks. And it was all live, so it was pretty cool. But this market recently was really hard to trade, but we're doing pretty good now again. Kind of more taking it slower. Than anything. You know, if it takes me an extra 5 days to make that money, then so be it. It's better than blowing the counts up, you know? I always try to teach everybody that does this. Trade smaller if you're losing. All you're doing is wasting time that you're not going to get back. Losing money sucks, but that time is what really fucking sucks. That's what really sucks. Nice, good for you for doing what you need to do for yourself. Gotta have your cup filled first before you can help others. Agreed. Don't get me wrong, I like teaching, but I also need your money. I do okay. The more money you have, the more you want. So I need other avenues of income. It's a smart way. I might as well do both, right? Ooh, this lines up perfect if it comes back up. All right, we're right into that fair value gap. Good rejection. See how it reacts though. Might just blow right through it. I would love for it to break a new low. It's hard to catch a falling knife, but if it breaks a new low, it's much easier. Much easier. Much easier. This is kind of wild because this was the entry that would have got us in for this gigantic move up easily. Easily would have got this. And now we're coming back to retest it. If it starts breaking this, I guess, whatever candle breaks a new high, I'm going to enter in a small one to see how it reacts. And what was the news? I was out. What was the news that dropped this? Do you guys know? Fed faces no rush to shrink size of balance sheet. Business of community meeting. Blah, 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 blah. Estimating tariff impact is a moving target. Just reading some of the news, see if it's anything else. Oh, he was just bringing doom and gloom here. ECB's president speaks at 2:30. Nothing else. Oh, this is a nice bounce. I'm gonna get in one.
Order
We're
filled.
gonna test this one out.
Order filled.
Let's see what happens. Now my target for this would probably be 746 would be lovely. Definitely 733 though. And that's even if it holds. If it doesn't fucking hold, then I guess we gotta close it. I would love for this to go 746. Ooh, that's a short. If it starts breaking below, then I'm probably gonna be wrong. I don't know if I'll be wrong. You might want to just break below this and come up. What you gonna do? 14 seconds. So usually a short, we're getting in. It probably wants to fucking break down, I think.
Order filled. Order filled.
Alright, I'm switching.
Order filled. Order filled.
I'm switching.
Order filled. Order filled.
Sometimes you gotta switch.
Order filled.
Order filled.
Did it break the low? No, not yet.
Order filled.
Damn, does it not want to close? It should. If anything, I think it's gonna hit the 650s. I don't know. Guys, I gotta take a phone call real quick. I'm
Order
gonna be on mute. Just ooh, there you go. Hold on, I can't get off yet. Can't get off yet. All right, this is a huge candle. If you wanted to do a bounce, what the fuck is going on here? Okay, Canada and Trump are talking.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Order filled. Order filled.
This is just a sympathy bounce. Could probably go to like 48, 40, 50. Let's look at this too. If it wants to break this, then we're gonna go really high. That's I'm like, what do I do? All right, we'll do 679. Or 676. Ooh, would it freeze on me? All right, it's gonna fight here. Fucking daddy, bro. Fucking daddy. We are right in their zone. But if it closes, we're going up. But if it doesn't, fucking daddy. So now, if it comes back down and then bounces off of this, it's going to make it even more.
Order filled.
Wow. I'm up $800 on Take Profit Trader. Then you see this move, and then Top Step X. I just fucking murdered that too. Murder she wrote. Murder she wrote. We don't want it to come against us either, so remember that. It can come back down, but let's see what happens.
Order filled.
Oh, there it is, you fucker. It's alright. Killed it, killed it. Can I have more than one trade evade open? Well played. Well played. So we caught that bottom. So this is what I'm talking about. I'm gonna be having this indicator come out soon too. That I'm trying to code a little better. But this was beautiful. Beautiful. Closed above, breakout. Now I need to learn where to take the profit on there. I've been just kind of aiming for the pullback zones, which we're familiar with. But all right, I gotta take a phone call really quick. I'm just gonna be off mic for a second. Sorry about that, guys. I'm looking to see if this wants to go up or down. We gotta see how this closes. If this closes below, then it's probably gonna come right back down to this area. It looks like it wants to, right?
Order filled.
Oh, I didn't want to take this trade on this count. Oh, man. I think I'm okay. I want to take on my other one.
Order filled.
703s. There we go. It probably wants to go down lower, but I'll move that. I gotta switch accounts on here. So it didn't break up. Very good. Ooh, so we can. I don't know. It's risky to try to break it through this because it could easily tap this and then turn around. It's looking heavy. This is getting tight.
Order filled.
Boom, baby. Damn, it went lower. This is where I thought it was going to go. But I said, let's do the safe bet. Safe. So annoying. That big ass drop killed my account. I couldn't stop losing today. Took all the wrong trades and none of that right ones when I'm scared. Yeah, you can't be scared. And if you're scared, you're most likely, Libs, trading too high of contracts. Lower it down a bit. Just lower it down a bit. Like do MNQ. Or even MES until you get that, you feel pretty good on the day. Because you saw me today, I've done nothing but MNQ. Yeah, I could be up 10 Gs if I did NQ, but if I was wrong, I'm going to just lose time and have to restart all over again. So I try to teach that to everybody, like, just sometimes it just takes a few more extra days. And guess what? If you took that few extra days, where would you be? Weeks ahead of what you would have been when you cracked your count. These prop firms set you up. They say you give you a $50,000 account. It's not true. They only give you $2,000. So if you can keep it like, at least try to keep it under $400 loss for the day, or 500. That means you would have 4 days of straight losers. And that usually doesn't happen to me. I mean, I've had maybe 3 tops, but nothing more than that. Very good. Guys, I'm going to go pee real quick. Be right back. I'm sorry, guys. All right. All right, kind of looks like chopped liver now. Chopped liver? How you guys all doing today? On TikTok. I know a lot of you guys doubted me over here, though, right? I knew the top was in, though. Well, I did get in premature here, but this was more of a hey, just in case. And then we did our last 3 contracts when it fell below this. So I've been getting pretty good at these reversal points. This one would have been a monster fucking reversal, but it never went above, so that's a good thing too. So if you wait, it won't get you in either. But my shorts would have got you in. Do 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 do. Wonder if it wants to go here. I don't want to push it if I don't see it though. You know what I'm saying? Like this is a little bit just choppy. Like this could be here, but if you look at this, you could see that it's been very tight. Like it might rip back up. Yeah, see? It ripped back up. So I wonder if it wants to come back up here to the 701s. I don't know. I'm a little weary on it. Because it can easily want to be here too. We made 10K today? Good job. Damn, what a fucking... It looks like it wants to go up, right? We'll do a small one.
Order filled.
Thinking it wants to come up to here. 695s. Get up there, mother effer. Damn, it like just missed it. No, I'm gonna take it out because it's bounced off the cloud here like several times. So it would have hit right there. I just want to I want to sign into my other one, guys. I'm sorry. Let's see, let's see. Ooh, nice drop. Kind of want to buy it.
Order filled.
What did it do last time? I did this. Oh yeah, okay. Did I do this one? Didn't we do a bounce off? Thought I did. And I don't remember where the fuck it is. Probably wants a touch up here. I thought I did. I'm like tripping now.
Order filled.
I guess we should put one right here because if it breaks it, then it's gonna go up, right? Maybe I shouldn't risk it. I'm up in the air on this part. Sorry guys, I was up in the air on that one. Oh, here's another short. It's probably gonna touch here then. I don't want to jump in on that yet. The reason why I keep saying I don't want to jump in is because it's very choppy, as you can see. Like, I'm more doing of a probability in my head of what's gonna happen, but it could be completely wrong. We're gonna touch it. Watch. If you count, there might have been the spread right there. There you go. It's a sickness, guys. It's a sickness. I'm sorry. Fat bastard, did you make it back? Did you get your profit back? NFP tomorrow. Let me see. Wow. Sorry, I'm just reading the Trump and Elon beef. Flip-flopped on each other, but I kind of feel like this might be like a setup. I feel like Elon and Trump are still good friends, and he's doing that to save his business, to help him out. Hey, if you go against me, maybe they'll come back, you know? Just seeing if we might get another signal to the downside. I really want to see how this reacts here. What am I looking for? Oh, the schedule for tomorrow. U.S. non-farm payrolls. It does usually make it bullish, but U.S. unemployment rate. We'll know. We'll know by 8 real early. 8:30. It's different, you know. This is a different time, so I have no fucking clue. Elon gonna send Trump to Mars, I think. It's fucking funny. I feel like it's a tactic. He just gave him the key, the golden key to the White House. And now, I mean, it is probably annoying that he saved the money and then they just took that money and put it into another bill. That could be frustrating, but I think it's all a tactic. They're probably like, hey, let's do a little wish-wash. You know, you go against me. I'll go against you a little bit. Going deep down, baby. I don't want to go too much. But I'm thinking we're gonna at least break this low. What's here, 600? Kind of want to do one more.
Order filled.
Yeah, I know. It was like, what was the point of that work that he did? So I don't know. I don't know. So he could be mad, or they could just be playing a game. You know how it goes. Let's go, baby. Break this low. I'm wondering where this wants to go. I hope it doesn't fill me real quick because I want to do a fib extension. .78. We're at the 6-1 now. Let's do a little bit lower. Imagine we went to the 1. Shit. Shit. We'll see. I mean, ultimate would be 445. Nobody's talking that I know of. Could just be end of day fucking sell off for tomorrow's payroll. Come on, are you not entertained? Are you not entertained?
Order filled.
Now, this could be the bottom. We have to see. What the fuck is it, bruh? Wow, huge, huge. We're gonna get to the 1-to-1. Let's see. I don't know. Can you guys say fucking daddy? Can you say fucking daddy? Man. Still going. What's the news here? Does this want 1.6? I don't think so. I don't think it wants down here. But we'll see. We're going to catch this bottom, right? When it goes. If this is it, then we're going to catch it. Fucking call me fucking daddy. Money shot. Discord. Fucking daddy. That was a good fucking trade. Alright, so. Still going. We're gonna see. I don't know yet. I don't know yet. I mean, we're at the 1, so if it starts coming back up, then I'm thinking we're golden to go back up for at least a little bit. But this is wild. If it goes to 1.6, that's what, 200 points from this short. 662. That'll be 220 points. But this line here is a line that I drew a long time ago, so it's more of a higher time frame. All right, we're at this holy shit, what the fuck? Is there something happening? Whoa. Guys, Musk said Trump is in the Epstein files. That's some fighting words right there, bro. Whoa. He's gonna have to fucking answer to that. That's bananas. Bananas. Wow. Did any of you guys just comprehend what I just said? Crazy. Some fighting words right there. You know, depending on it all, I don't want to jump the gun here, but like, there's a lot of people in those files. A lot. But we don't know exactly what it means. That's the only thing that I can think of that just made this drop. When is this? Yeah. This is exactly when Elon said this. Holy shit. Insane. Insane. He's gonna have to answer to that. So I don't know if I remember how I was saying I don't know if they're doing like, you know, a little game back and forth. That was a juggler move right there. I mean, I guess this is why it's fucking just fell that much off of that one little statement. Fucking crazy. Could have just been pulling teeth. I don't know. I don't believe it all the way, but there's people in that file, libs, that were just on the plane. They all borrow planes, so it's not like that big of a deal. But for you to say that like that, it's like, you know, shots fired. Like he's basically saying, "Oh, the only reason why it's not out is because he's on it." He could have been just pulling. I don't know. We won't fucking know. We won't know. But I don't know why the fuck he would say that. Yeah, this is showing no signs of letting up. I wonder if this wants to do 21442. I don't want to go too heavy in this if I do it. We're just going to do one.
Order filled.
And it's going to be more of a gamble. This is a gamble, guys. A gamble. And I'm going to do 51. I don't know. It could bounce here. If it does, then we'll get the fuck out. It's just looking real dumpy. Alright, there's a short. Still needs to stick. It's got 40 seconds left. Yeah, see, it's still gonna go around. We gotta see. Could be wrong. Could be wrong. I really don't want to hold it too high up either. I'm thinking this was a bad move. Only because I could be right, but it wants to come up here. Then I'm holding it so long for something stupid. Or... I don't know. I'm up in the air on this one. Again. I shouldn't have done this one, I don't think. Well, here, I guess this is a line in the sand. I'm glad that updated. Here we go. Let's see. If it closes above, guys, I'm going full port up. Full port up. Alright, I'm going full up. I'm gonna keep this up, but I want to put it to the side. We're fucking going up here. 640s? 600s? There we go. Look at the 5. 5 might be extremely high up. 615s? I guess we could be... I don't know. No. We could be semi-smart and take out 2 here. Maybe we could do 4. And then let's see if it wants to hit up here. Breaks above this. It's probably going to start launching pretty good. See how it retests here. Let's see. If it can't hold, then we're fucked. Good rejection so far. There is fucking golden zones on here. So you might want to touch it, but I'm pretty sure this is a good spot. Hold the line. Come on, rip up, baby. 330. Are we gonna call me daddy again? The V. All day during these markets. Let's see. I don't know exactly where this is gonna go. It's kind of a guess. But this is the 61s on that little one. I feel like we should be smart about it. We're up above. No, it should be up here. Dang, hit that 5. You gotta be careful on this one. I'm not liking it now. Got 2 minutes left. Maybe we should, I think we should do here. And then, if it does break, then we're still in it. Any of you guys see a location to go? I mean, it did fucking bounce this way, so it's like giving me a few different ways, and it's throwing me the F off. This is gonna go up higher. We should at least get to this, right? I'm not trying to be greedy either. I'm just trying to see what I see. So we have a straight up bounce. Bounce should extend at least to this area, and then I'm thinking 643. It's another wick. Apple user, thank you for the follow. If you guys are in here watching me, help me out. Give me a follow, bro. Got 3 YouTube followers. How you guys doing on there? We're pulling through. We're pulling through. Let's see where this extension is if we were to do it here. I know it's a weird one. Oh yeah, we're above. We're extended. Thinking it wants to hit this though. I need to be called daddy again. I need it. Pop up, baby. Let's go. We're above the 600s already. You tried to go down, you couldn't. You should go up.
Order filled.
Daddy? Daddy?
Order
Daddy? I probably sound like a crazy fuck. Daddy's on a roll, right? Let him fucking spread his wings. Spread it. And this is just being safe. We can probably... I mean, we're almost at the 6-1, 650s. I don't know what it's going to do past this, so...
Order filled.
Damn. Fucking squeezy. Alright, we're going to take one more out.
Order filled.
We got one left. One little micro contract worth 200. You gotta wait. I'm making money right now to look at other stocks. Daddy's cooking. Alright, so we are now starting to become yellow, indicating well overbought. So we'll see what happens here. If it starts coming down, then we'll just close it. Fucking V-shape. What I tell you guys all day, I said get used to these markets. Get used to these kind of V-shapes. V-shape. Reverse V-shape. V-shape. Reverse. Reverse. V-shape. It does this over and over again. Daddy, would you like some sausage? Alright, so that's another little one that we had before. It's getting real tippity top, right? So if this starts breaking below this, then we can say screw it. But I don't know. I might just say, oh,
Stop filled.
spoke too soon. What a fucking nice run, right? I thought that was a pretty nice run, guys. Let's see. We might be able to short this too. We'll see how it reacts here. Nope. That was a nice fucking ride. Did you guys catch that too? One of you guys had to. Lib's nice. Not as much as I wish I got in late. Who cares? As long as you got a little bit of it. It's all good. Maybe this wants to go up. I don't know. I'm confused on what it wants to do now. It's kind of stalling. Yep, looks like it wants to go down now. Let's see if it comes back up and retouches it.
A little something, Dad?
Oh, hi. Walt rolled his 401k accounts into an Empower IRA and planned for times like this. So I say, let a Gramps be a Gramps.
Okay, just
I got the
promise
shirt
me
just
it doesn't
there
make
on
a lot of noise.
Mini. Got the short, you mean? I got you. At first I said shirt. What the fuck's he mean by shirt?
So you can be a little bad.
I thought you meant like, you know, you didn't gamble away your shirt. Gamble away your clothes. Alright, this looks like it wants to fall. It's getting real heavy again. We might just go in just one.
Filled.
I don't want to get back all the profit I got. Okay. Kind of rejecting it though. Could be a stupid move. I'm not sure yet. But it does look real heavy, like it wants to go through. You can tell by the way it keeps jumping. There you go. Don't ask me how I know that shit. That's just experience. Man, so a lot of resistance here too at the same time. So I see the jumpiness, but I also see it getting fucking whacked. Whack-a-mole, back up. Let's see if it comes and retouches this again. And then we can short it more. Alright, so now we're touching it. Let's see what happens. Might want to go up here and then reject. Alright, look like a rejection to me. I'm just reading Elon Musk's tweets. Pretty kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Kind of crazy. Ooh, we're at a standstill, boys and girls. I'm not seeing any new news, nothing. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's this fight in here. So we got 2 yellows, so it might bounce back and forth. Let's look at the 5. We're right in here. We're fighting. Whatever which way it goes, it's going to end up coming out. I'm going to say 10 minutes left. With all this drama coming out, I think we're going down. Just a guess. What do you guys think? It's more of a... literally just a guess, because... who the fuck knows with that shit? I really thought it was a tactic to get his business back up, but those are juggler words right there. want to do, my friend? What do you want to do? Getting real whippy again. Geronimo? Waiting to see. So this is. It kind of did like a new, not a new top, but a semi. Came back up for a pullback off the yellow zone, and then it started ripping down, and it looked really heavy. Ooh. Trump's live for the police event, or it looks at for 4 o'clock. This isn't a bounce off. Sometimes you do get these error. It's not an error because it's engulfing and it's in the zone, but I like it to be on top. Got out the bottom. I still think it wants to come here to the next one. I want to add 2 more to it.
Order filled.
You motherfucker. Oh man. I still think it goes up. I mean down. Going down, 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 down. Didn't update yet, but I would think that this is the pullback zone and we're gonna drop.
filled.
Daddy? Daddy? Sorry, I'm gonna keep saying this all the entire rest of until I get off. Daddy? I'm probably just gonna get out of this though.
Order filled.
Daddy? I don't know why I keep repeating it though like that. I'm like, Daddy? Daddy? Let's see. We should hit it. Let's see if it's gonna hit my mark. It should. Daddy? Oh, Daddy? I kind of want to see if this goes up now.
Filled.
Very quick, nothing crazy. Nothing crazy. Little scalp. Break of this. Looks like it wants to go, right? It looked real nice of a rejection. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Maybe it wants to hit this first. It is 359. Maybe I might have fucked up right there. Let's see. Let's see. I think I'm okay. It clearly bounced off, broke above with a bull.
Order
Right?
filled.
Okay, good. But that's what I was seeing. If that makes any sense. Huge pullback, bounces, engulfs it to the upside. Four o'clock. Very nice day.
Have you ever wondered how the world's currencies are traded? The foreign exchange market, also known as the forex market, is the
Oh,
largest
yeah.
and most liquid financial market in the
Oh,
world.
daddy.
It's a marketplace.
I think there's some. The U.S. refrains from labeling any nation as a currency manipulator. You guys want to look at Tesla real quick? Damn. Man, I'm very confused on what this method was. just feel like it's a tactic. We're getting manipulated here. Should be one more drop. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. U.S. plans to strengthen FX monitoring and vows greater vigilance. U.S. Treasury adds Switzerland. Well, Switzerland's been shady the entire time I've ever traded. I used to start it off on futures, and that's a shady fucking bank. I actually missed the one trade where they manipulated and it was a 30% drop. I was doing support and resistance, and I'm like, I think I'm gonna get in, but I'm a little scared because it's Switzerland. %, yeah, fucking crazy. Buying NAS, I don't know. I'm more of a short time. Let's look at a longer one. I'm curious. This didn't play out right. This was my normal theory here. We are still could be in the B wave and we could still have a C wave. This isn't done yet. Until we break this high, and even if we break this high, there's this fucking other thing called, I don't even remember what the hell it's called. I hate it. I don't even research that one because it sucks. But this would be bananas. But depending on the timeline, it doesn't make sense for this to happen due to Bitcoin. I know it sounds weird, Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's projected to be the top in September, October, November. Oh, what the fuck is going on? So, yeah, I don't know. If anything, this could be a fucking sell. This is risky. Close above here, it's going up. This 22,000. It needs to close though. It can whip up and come back down. But I don't know. But tomorrow is what is it? NFP? Whatever the fuck they call it. Non-farm payroll. Usually is bullish, but this is a weird time, man. Weird time. So, you see how this goes? I have so much Fibonacci here, which is going to be annoying. Thanks for the follow. So look at this line straight up. Looks like it's guiding it, right? The first one that cracks this is gonna bring it down. Now, if it bounces off of these, I know I have this big arrow here, I'm sorry. This was like my point of like, hey, what we're doing here. Now, I was saying this is a great, better demand zone. But this is the 50% retracement. This is a MNQ. This is just basically the NASDAQ. I went on a daily just to see what, because somebody asked if they should buy it. But we are at a weird spot, man. A weird spot. Because this would be A, B, and then we do I might have Elliott wave thing on here still. See, look at this. I didn't even do anything. This is just an indicator, which I don't usually bring it on. But this This would make me right. Sometimes my plays take a little longer. Interesting. What do you guys think? You guys got any outlook on that? I'm just trying to see. Trump's talking about Elon right now. Trump, I don't mind Elon turning against me, but he should have done so months ago. Yeah, I'm not sure what the tactic is. I don't know. I don't think it's a good move by Elon. He should just let it die and dwindle away a little bit and then say whatever he had to say. Like, that's not as whatever. But this makes sense to me. This is what I've been looking at the entire time. The only thing that throws me off is that it's just a little bit higher than we wanted to. But you're trying to stop a train. We're now at the 80%. And that's a fucking reversal. But I think it's going to fall regardless to a midpoint. So like say it goes to 19.245s, which would be fine. Or even the 18.49s. And then rip up, because that would be the beginning of a new wave to the upside. But if it doesn't, then it's going to come down pretty far. And that's going to throw off my timeline, honestly. I thought it would have happened a little bit sooner. And if they don't change the interest rate, right, and they say they keep it the same or raise it, it's gonna fucking it'll plummet. But again, I'm not thinking that way because we are late in the game when it comes to crypto. Crypto points, I mean, sometimes it'll break away from reality, but it usually goes along with the market. So it's throwing me off. Throwing me off. Alright, we'll go back. That's why it's a hard guessing game, right? And this has died, but that was a great bounce. Might bounce again. I just don't want to. I don't want to trade when he's talking. Wow. Yo, this is fighting words right here. Musk just said, in light of the president's statement about the cancellation of my government contracts, SpaceX will begin decommissioning its Dragon spacecraft immediately. What the fuck?
There's no information to suggest.
Cool. scary. What the fuck's going on? I felt like this was a tactic, and now I don't. This is Musk doing damage control, I think.
When I started Walton Goggins goggle glasses, I needed a website. Figuring out how to make one was pretty hard.
An American Dream in Nickelodeon Universe. It's non-stop Nickelodeon fun. With your favorite characters and dozens of awesome rides, the slime of your life is just minutes from Manhattan at American Dream.
It's not easy being a star, but fame has its perks, like Growing Years organic milk with key nutrients and developed with pediatricians to fuel a toddler's greatest hits. Growing Years by Horizon Organic.
I was able to draw out some large back data today triangles, and it helps me see your point on action and movements. Yeah. You mean for the downside? Yeah, I've studied Elliott waves for a very long time. I don't recommend it because it will make you go crazy. But we are at a resistance area to reverse to the downside. Now, the only thing that's throwing me off is timeline with Bitcoin. Bitcoin has been on track for the last, I don't even know, 12, 16 years. The cycles have worked. I've been doing it over and over again. I'm really good at it. Knock on wood. I have a full Bitcoin. This throws it off a little bit, I think. Unless it's going to be so dramatic and quick with a V-shaped recovery, which we've been seeing all weeks, right? So yeah. What are you trying to show me? Like that minute view? Like this? But you want me to wait, this just fucking, they're still popping, bro. Let me see one more see. Nope, he didn't say nothing new. What do you want me to do? Daily, zoom in. As soon as you said drop, it dropped. Yeah, so this is the daily. Makes sense. It really does. I don't want it to do this though. I don't. I wanted to do earlier. I wanted it like 3 weeks ago. I would need this to break This low. You see how it broke this low? It broke this low, right? There was a fair value gap here, but it never came close. Another fair value gap never came close to breaking it. Fair value gap. That was the last one. Last one on the way down. Finally broke it. You could have even waited for the retest. Boom. 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 It's obviously a strong area. It's come across. Fucking touch, touch, touch. Rejection. Alright, let's see if it breaks this. I usually don't like to trade this late, but the volume is still going very fucking nicely. Nothing, huh?
Unlock the world's largest, most liquid financial market with Forex.com. Forex, or FX, involves trading one currency for another.
Right? I'm kind of digging the music. See, it's kind of denying it. If it breaks below this, we can probably short this.
Order filled.
This is really slow. This will be my last trade, guys. I'm gonna get off. Really good day so far, though, trading wise. It was whippy for some people, but we were able to read it today pretty easily, I think. Tomorrow might be a different story. So you gotta go in softly, because we don't know on how it's gonna be. Galvin, thanks for the follow. Fall, motherfucker. Not bad. So you got $757 on Top Step X today. We got $1,004 on our Apex, and our Take Profit Trader. After this, we don't know what it is, but it's at 27.72 right now. Not bad, not bad. I'll take it. Just being patient, and if you guys watched me all day, I didn't trade that heavy. I did micros. Later, money shot. Later. This might want to go up. We have to see. It's getting real slow. YouTube and Twitch. I'll be on tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. Eastern. It's kind of going up, right, guys? Oof, went all the way up. I should have just held it right there. Let's see.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Maybe I shouldn't fuck with it. Am I gonna enter? Yeah, I fucked that one up. I fucked it up. Broke above. Definitely fucked it up. Oh my god. Musk is talking real wild. Musk just said the Trump tariffs will cause a recession in the second half of this year. Fuck. I mean, this is a good spot to reverse it back, but I think I'm done. Trump's done talking, so he just stopped right now. I'm sure tonight might be popping, so... Oh, nice. What made you get in on this long? Libs. Wonderful? Why am I trading so late? I'm not really trading too much on YouTube, Wonderful. I kind of saw this. I was going to be my last trade, and then it goes up. It's probably going to pop back down. I was kind of just chilling because the president's speaking. And there's some kind of wild news going back and forth. So tonight, after 6, it might get a little back and forth. Might be interesting. Might be interesting. Caught along. The spike was leaving the ground floor. MACD crossover to tree. Green. Gotcha. What you streaming on? What do you mean? OBS? OBS to Restream app? I'm also on TikTok and Discord. $300 profit on minis, like you said. You mean micros? Micros. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta just chill. Just bring it back a little bit. And you'll know when to up it. You'll know. I do not have Snap. I've been trading over 10 years. I'm on Discord. Wonderful. If you need to talk there, I'll link it. Damn, bro. You want me to tell you? You want me to give you my social security number too? I'm just joking. I'm 36, and no, I do not trade full time. I have a full time career, but I work 4 days a week and 4 off, so it rotates. On my 4 days off, I trade, and I make pretty decent money in trading. But I also make a lot of money in my career job too. So
Are you ready for retirement? Our free retirement planner shows you where you stand now and how you can meet your goals. Sign up today at empower.com.
have you looked up the spike yet? You were telling me that that it's on something else, though, right? It's not on TradingView, right, Libs? It's on Apex. Yeah, I haven't even fucked with that new Apex thing yet. I haven't even messed with it yet. 'Cause they got their new platform, right? That's what you're talking about? Or is it on TradingView? I mean, Tradeovate. I think they have their own platform now, Apex. But I haven't tried it yet. Yes, gotcha. Yeah, I haven't messed with it yet. The fuck up, Brett. No. So I'm gonna get off. Maybe tonight I will get on because of all these statements that are going on between Elon and the president. It might make things very fucking wild. So let's see. It's a maybe. If I'm not on, I will be on tomorrow at 9:30 a.m. and we'll get it on from there. But all these messages makes me want to check it out, see how the market's moving. Other than that, it was very good fucking trading. And I'll let you guys know on Discord if I hop on. Damn, this shit makes me want to buy it. I gotta get the fuck off, though. I gotta eat. I got some shit I gotta do. This makes me want to buy it right now. Alright. I'm done. Maybe I'll be on later. If not, I'll be on tomorrow. Adios. And if you're on TikTok and you're not following me, help a brother out and give me a follow. Thank you.